Happy Mother's Day. What are you guys doing today for Mother's Day?
We are gonna make pancakes and bed for her.
Love you.
And add a bunch of decoration. And then we're gonna go to Noah's house, which is his mom. And we're gonna celebrate Mother's Day there.
Are you guys excited? So what are you gonna make?
We're gonna make pancakes.
What about you,
Pancakes
Carter?
with
What you gonna
cut-up
do?
fruits. We're gonna make, I'm gonna give him my...
Him?
I'm gonna give her a present. We need to start cutting strawberries.
No, not yet.
Okay.
First, I have to do the dishes. After the dishes, we'll prep the food, and then we'll draw. Carter, why don't you do the Mother's Day card first? Colin, go get the pancake mix. Read the direction. Kaylin, you should stay looking cute, okay? You should stay looking cute, okay? All right, bye. All right, guys. So we just finished cleaning up the house. As you can see, it's a little bit more organized. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start mixing the pancakes.
2 cups. That's good.
Okay, that's good. Let's pour that in. There you go.
And then we need.
Let's go.
And this is flour.
Yeah, it's the same thing, honey. Same thing. All right.
Oh my god, there's a giant bowl.
I want to do some today.
You want some milk too? Okay, go get yourself a cup. I pour you a glass of milk. Give me the egg.
I can put it in there.
No, just tap it so you can crack them out. Put it in there.
I know how to put it in.
No, I got it, honey.
Carter, it won't be messy.
Good. There you go. Mix it.
It's gonna like turn into like a dough.
Mm-hmm.
No, into like a batter. Like a cream.
Yep.
It's like a tornado.
Mm-hmm.
I'm cutting the strawberries
For what?
to add decoration on the pancake.
Oh, really? Nice. Is it for mommy?
Yeah.
Anything you want to say for Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day to you, and you're the best mother in the world.
Aw.
Daddy,
What about you? Anything you want to say to mom?
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
That's it?
I hope you have a really good breakfast today.
Aw.
That's it?
All
Oh, I
right.
thought you were going to decorate the creamer.
How you like that? That looks good. Give me a thumbs up, Kaylin. There you go.
I'm going to be quiet and then say Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day!
Aww. Thank you guys. Oh my god. What is this?
I decorated it with all the fruits.
Oh my
I'm
gosh.
looking it and I chopped the strawberry. And I put on some syrup on.
Who made the pancakes? Those are perfectly cut strawberries. I like the bacon. You put butter on. My favorite. You pack my butter knife? Oh.
Carter.
Oh, okay. Okay, well, I guess it was Carter. Delicious. Thank you, babe.
Mm-hmm.
What's my next gift?
That's it. You're done.
Are
There's
you gonna
no
do
more.
laundry for me?
Hell no. We're done. Our mission is over. We're gonna go play game the rest of the day.
What? One meal.